Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Betty J. Head, and today I'm going to be doing a second unboxing of my paperback children's picture book, Skyrootalus and the Three Feisty Fawns. So here we go, and I'm doing a second unboxing because the first unboxing we had one extra page in there that we needed to take out. So we took that out and sent it back to IngramSpark, and so I received the new copies today, and I'm going to unbox them for you. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I have several copies here, so I'm going to put that on the floor. And this is the book. It's a paperback book, Skyrootalus and the Three Feisty Fawns. It's a paperback. That's the back of the book. And my picture's on there, and my contact information. Call to action, they call it. It's on there. So here we go. Yes. The first page should be Skyrootalus and the Three Feisty Fawns. The second page should be the copyright information and my acknowledgement or dedication page. So I want to read it to you. Can I read it to you? It says, for my future grandchildren, for every little girl and boy in Mississippi, and for every beautiful soul reading, laugh, love, and live again. Always, BJH. So, I'm from Mississippi, and I was born in Mississippi. I was raised in Mississippi. I went to undergrad in Mississippi, Alcorn State University, and graduate school at Ohio State University, the Ohio State University. So, anyway, this is the book. It's a paperback book, and I'll show you a picture too. So, let's see, what do I want to show you? Okay, I'll show you this picture. The artwork is beautiful. I couldn't show it to you. I can't show you the words. So anyway, it's a beautiful book. The illustration is beautiful. Thank you to my beautiful illustrator, my editor, and my website designer. Thank you all. You made this happen. I had a wonderful team of people working with me. I'm so happy. And IngramSpark printed this, and IngramSpark, you did a good job. So you can also, this book is available for pre-order as an ebook all around the world. Barnes & Noble store, and several other stores, Apple. You can purchase it as an ebook. If you want to, you can pre-order it as an ebook. If you want to pre-order a signed copy of this book as a paperback and as a hardback book, you can go to my website at www.bettyjhead.com. That's www.bettyjhead.com. So guys, I'm excited to get this book into your hands, and for your little ones, your kiddos, to read this book. And eventually I'm going to read this book on my new program where I am reading books by other authors on YouTube. So it's called Reading with Betty J. Head. So check it out. Subscribe to the channel so that you can know when I do another update or do another reading. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Have a great day.